Don't get a 2-port charging adapter if you're gonna use both ports at the same time, because it says here 25 watts PPS, that's the USB-C, and 18 watts for USB-A. But now let me just hold on. So my phone is plugged in and super fast charging there. Now let me just cut the ring light, plug the ring light in. As you can see, the phone stopped super fast charging. I don't know if it's fast charging or slow charging. The ring light powers on. So meaning you cannot charge both devices at fast charging. I mean, right now it might be producing 25 watts, but it's split the 25 watts between the phone and the ring light. So yeah, one device at a time.